I feel blessed to be over here. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you to all three of you and the whole team for making this happen. And now it's over to Nikhil again.
Thank you, Dev. I've got Suresh Raina, Gurkirat Man, the man of the moment. How have you felt competing in front of 20,000 people, Suresh?
It's been amazing. I think special credit to the organization. I think playing in UK has always been special for us. I think we have won Champions Trophy in this ground 2013. Again, we have won it with the...
It was on the same day today.
Absolutely. And having played with the legend of the game, I think it's been amazing.
Gurkirat, how have you enjoyed the tournament and the competitiveness? Because you've just retired.
Even the level of cricket, I think it's been amazing here, and playing with Paji, it's a pleasure.
Sunday Paji, he played really well. I think UV led the team really well. And Pathan's brother, I think they've been amazing. Look at Harbhajan Singh, age of 39, 40, he's been bowling really well. I think special mention to the crowd. They've been coming here every game. Whenever we played against Pakistan, Pakistan played really, really well. And at the same time, Australia, West Indies. I think, as you said earlier, I think today is the day we have won Champions Trophy. And God has been really kind to us.
Thank you so much, Suresh. Thank you so much, Gurkirat. Back to you, Deep.
Thank you, Nikhil. I've got the Pathan brothers. One of them is kind of busy. If you can come over, Yusuf, Irfan is there. And we've got Junior Pathan as well. Yes, your dad's done it. Your uncle's done it. Well, Irfan, a week ago, we were together in the comm box. And within a week, you're here winning games. What's going on?
But look, for today, you have to say that Raidu, the way he played, outstanding. The way we bowled, was outstanding as well. The way the senior Pathan came in and the way he hit those crucial runs was very important. So yes, you know, when you're playing cricketer, being a cricketer as a part-time cricketer, right? When you play that role, it's tough. And because, you know, some of the players from Australia, some of the players in Pakistan, some play PSL, some play BBL. so when you have to compete against them, it's slightly tough. But, you know, credit to Yuvraj Singh as well, because Yuvraj assembled a team, and when he spoke to me, when he spoke to Bhai, when he spoke to each and every player, he told each and everyone what exactly needed to be done. And he said, I don't want your bowling, I want you to hit sixes, and this is your job. But today he gave me 3 overs.
Hitting sixes, absolutely yes. I mean, listen, 3 back-to-back 50s before this, then this crucial innings as well. Dude, you're looking as good as ever.
लगता तो था अच्छा बहुत, लेकिन टफ था, और जो सिचुएशन था, जो डिमांड कर रहा था सिचुएशन, उस हिसाब से खेला, और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम लोग फाइनल भी जीते। क्रूशल था जो साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ जो मैच था, वो बहुत क्रूशल था, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि अगर अच्छा खेले नहीं है हम लोग पूरा टूर्नामेंट, लेकिन जब हम सेमीफाइनल और फाइनल खेलेंगे तो इंडिया हमेशा बहुत अच्छा खेलता है। एज ए टीम हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा खेला, बैटिंग भी बहुत अच्छा किया सेमीफाइनल में, बॉलिंग अच्छा किया, यहाँ पर हम लोग फाइनल में भी ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेले हम लोग। और यहाँ पे जो फैंस आए थे उनके लिए मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इतने अच्छे नंबर्स में आए, और उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया इंडिया को। पाकिस्तान टीम के सपोर्टर्स भी थे, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि जो फैंस है, अपने जो लेजेंड क्रिकेटर है, उनको देखने के लिए आए, उनको सपोर्ट किया। और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि हम लोग यहाँ पर जीते, तो बहुत खुशी है मुझे।
यूसुफ, इरफान, ये सवाल आप दोनों के लिए। काफ़ी टाइम होता है कि आपको आपके बच्चों ने खेलते हुए नहीं देखा है, वो सुना है सिर्फ, टीवी में कभी हाइलाइट्स देखा होगा। वो फीलिंग बताएं कि फैमिली के साथ, बच्चों के साथ दोबारा आप लोगों को खेलते हुए देख रहे हैं।
You know, it's an absolutely beautiful question, because Deep, this is what we missed when we were playing for India. When my wife actually missed out a lot of my, you know, heydays. So she misses it. My kids, yesterday when I was playing against Australia, so he was there on the balcony and he said, Daddy, you took a wicket as well. You hit 4 sixes in a row. How did you do that? And I told him, because of your practice, you made me do practice. So for them, it's a very unique and memorable experience which will last forever. So it's a great feeling.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है, क्योंकि देखिए फैमिलीज सेमीफाइनल से पहले जो 2 मैच थे, काफ़ी दूर मैच थे, 1-1 घंटा दूर ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, फैमिलीज वहाँ पर आ रही थी, बच्चे काफ़ी सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, स्टेडियम में आवाज़ आ रही थी उनकी कि इंडिया इंडिया, और जो भी
मोटो रेजर 50 अल्ट्रा ने फ्लिप फोन्स की दुनिया को ही
भी खेले हम लोग सारे, और बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर से भी वो बच्चे इंटरेक्ट किए, तो बहुत खुशी है उनके लिए भी।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके लिए, आपके वक्त के लिए, एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस अगेन, गो वेल।
Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Congratulations, India champions. They have won the World Championship of Legends final here in Birmingham. 156 for 6, and India champions chasing it down with 5 balls to spare. India champions win by 5 wickets. Quick break, back with the post-match presentation.